Welcome back to my channel. This is Blessed I Can Selling. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a brand new live streaming app where you will live stream, party live, meet with different people from different countries and interact with them and get paid. The name of this new live streaming app is MIMOON. This live streaming app is very attractive. It's very amazing. Even if you're someone that have not done live streaming app before, you see this one is very easy to navigate. You can do it. So I'm going to walk you through on how to download, how to register, how to perform your tags, how to earn on this app, and how to withdraw your money. So don't skip this video, watch from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss any of it. So without wasting much time, let's go. So guys, click the link at my description or my comment section. It will take you to Play Store where you will download this app. After installing it on your phone, then you open it. Once you open it, you choose your login, either your Google, your Facebook, or your phone number, depending on what is available in your own country. All right, easy peasy. I said easy peasy. So once you register with your Google account or whatever you want, then the app will open like this. Once the app opens, you click on me, okay, where you will locate your tax center. You click on tax. Once you click on tax, you will see the tax you need to perform. And one thing I love this app is that it even give you guide on how to make money quickly on MIMON, how to boost your earning, and how to make your first withdrawal very easy. So once you click on live party, you see to show you how to make money quickly on MIMON, what an excellent tool leads to, how to easily earn $10 in your first week. Then it has invitation reward and the community. The community is where you post moments and get featured, get attraction, so that people will be coming to your live stream. Okay, so this is the task you need to perform. You see exclusive, you will see the tags there. Okay, then when you click on a newcomer, you see the tags you need to perform as a newcomer. When you click on daily, you also the tags see the tasks you need to perform. When you click on live, then you will see the reward you will get once you live stream. So when you live stream for 1 hour, you will get 7,000 beam for straight 7 days, which is 49,000 beam. Not only that, when you stay on party mic here, let's go to exclusive. When you stay on party mic for 3 hours in 8 days, within 11 days of registration, when you host party stream greater than 3 hours for 8 days, you will receive reward of 10,000 ping. So this live stream is one of the best live stream I've come across. So for you to post moments and get people is here. You click on here, then it will take you to your album, your camera, your video, whichever you want to post. You just upload it and post. Okay, so when you click on live, this is where you will start your live stream. You click on live, then you also click on start live. Okay, let me click on start live right now. So you click on why on only this time. Anyone you want to click, you are free to click. So once you go live, you'll see, yeah, you click on start and you go live. Okay, it's counting down. So once you go live, you'll see the three button where you can tap to check your tags. Okay, so to check how many minutes you have done. For now, I cannot see how many minutes I've done because I just started this live stream. So this solo live, you'll claim 7K once you're live streaming. If you want to check how many minutes you have done, just click on tags. It will take you to the side and you'll check it. Okay, and if you want to beautify your live stream, you can click that three dots and beautify your live stream. This is gamepad. You know game now. You buy coin, play game, and win. Gift yourself so that it will also help you to earn very fast. Okay, you can also do PK with people. Okay, PK, once you win, you also earn. All right, so you can also this icon is for gift. Okay, it's for gift icon to gamble or to gift yourself. So this is where you can minimize. Okay, you can close the live or you continue the live. Yeah, this app you can minimize even while you are doing your live streaming. As you can see, I've minimized it right now. So for you to withdraw, you click on my account. Once you click on my account, you click on my income, then you click on withdraw. Yeah, you click on apt withdrawal method, and withdrawal method will come out: ePay, USDT, TRC20, bank card, or PayPal. So whichever one you want to withdraw with, you insert it and withdraw. Once you reach minimum withdrawal, which is $10, 100,000 bin. Okay, so this is all about this MIMOON app. Okay, register right now, it is very hot. Don't wait, don't sleep on this update. Don't forget to share this video. All right, so guys, have you seen it? Don't forget to share this video, like it, comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so.